being a better cook on semen retention. So guys, I feel like I've become a better cook on semen retention. Is nothing more than just having a better attention. You know, if you think about it for a moment, although I'm no expert in cooking, but paying attention very closely is one of the very important things when it comes to cooking, right? Like if you were to cook uh, some beef, right? You want it maybe well done all the way, or something like you want it done medium and things like that. And you have to really pay attention to like how much time you're cooking on each side, things of that nature. And as I was cooking, I was doing some salmon salmon steak. mm, just basic stuff, but comparing to myself in the past when I was not practicing semen retention. And and this is also from observing another person that is one of my friends. I think he does not know anything about semen retention, and I observed him once, and he was trying to cook something for me at that time, like which was weeks ago. And I don't think this is a coincidence, and it was bad because he did not pay attention to what he was doing. And yeah, so back to what I was saying. So comparing to myself in the past when I was not on semen retention, I just feel that I am a way better cook now, even without you further training or experience, because I try to pay close attention, and I do succeed in paying close attention and not failing, so to speak, like not overcooking, not undercooking, things like that. So yeah, let me know, you guys, in the comment section if you have some similar experiences. And yeah, as of now, I am more than 1 year of semen retaining. It's like 370 days, I think. And I'll do a separate video on the benefits I experienced through this whole year of semen retaining. Yeah, this is it, all I wanted to say in this video. And my name is King David, and in my channel we talk about semen retention, temperance, self-improvement, and spiritual growth. And just look at my skin, guys. Although I have some trouble here and there, like I do have some pimples, but the overall texture of my skin is like is insane, bro. I'm uh, I am 27 years old, but many places I go, I hear this very often, that you look younger than your age. Like they say I was in they say they thought I was in my early 20s, things like that. I hear that very often. So This is not placebo, guys. It is because there's lots of nutrition and minerals in your semen, and you get to reabsorb those mm, precious nutrients through not busting. So yeah, thanks for watching, and I'll do another one very soon. Bye guys. Much love to you guys. Peace.